We want to be talking more than just merch. We feel like we did an awesome job in the last bootcamp that we just had. We're going to be continuously, not talking about, but growing this group. Nathaniel has an opportunity to teach more, and we want to be able to bring that opportunity here to this group. I guess I'll let you fully explain it.
Well, yeah, I don't know if you want to talk about like the reasoning behind this coming up, but we have talked about KDP a little bit in this group before. And like Steven said, I love teaching on art. So any opportunity to teach on art and my newfound favorite program as of the last 4 months, which if you guys have taken any of our courses in that time, you know exactly what I'm talking about. We want to be able to bring that knowledge also to the KDP community. And thankfully, my new favorite program has just made it possible to be able to do KDP covers, that should be said. Not the whole book, just the cover is what we're focusing on. And so I'm going to be teaching a class on that. Some tactics of, what you should be putting on these book covers and also how to actually create them and get them up in a timely fashion. We know the KDP book cover generator thing is not the best in the world. A lot of people have their problems with it.
There's a lot of limitations. We want to show you how to kind of free up your artistic ability inside a program that we've been talking a lot about and be able to use it for KDP.
Yeah, just allow you guys to have a little bit more freedom, a little less headache is always the goal. So we will be teaching that class. Hopefully you guys will join us over there if you're at all interested in that. We know that there are people in this group using KDP. That's why we mentioned it over here. And, it is another interesting print-on-demand platform. It's not quite apples to apples, comparing it to merch, but it is similar. And we are putting up art and other images and insides of book covers, and then Amazon is handling the printing and the shipping aspect of the business. So another print-on-demand thing that we love. We will be teaching on that more this year, and we think it starts with just knowing how to do good art. So hopefully this will help. And if you guys just want to see me talk about art some more, the things that I'm talking about aren't necessarily specific to shirts, but the program that we're using is still very valuable to learn and understand. So we'll be talking more about that.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out the video. My name is Steven, this is my brother Nathaniel. Together we are the Wingman.
If you guys want to know more about this KDP class that we've talked about, check out the link in the description.